Dear Vekoma, how you doing, old friend? I think it's time for you to return to the States. I know me and my fellow enthusiasts have stressed on you in the past because of your influx of SLCs and boomerangs. Don't get me wrong, they all work great for parks on a budget. The issue is that the majority of those coasters did not age well. Because of that, you were the butt of many coaster jokes. Back in the day, anytime we mentioned Vekoma, some words came to mind. Rough, headbanging, ouch. Anytime we discover a park is installing an SLC or boomerang, you'll hear a collective groan throughout the coaster community. Again, they're not bad rides, but as an enthusiast, going to multiple parks with the same clone coasters can be frustrating. We deeply question ourselves. Should we ride for the credit or pass? However, I believe those times are behind us. Us enthusiasts are salivating at the mouth to have you back. We watch as our European friends play with your new toys. With each new ride you put out, the number one question always comes up. When is Vekoma coming back to the States? That is one question I would love to know. It's time, Vekoma. You put in the hard work of reinventing yourselves and it's paying off. Your coasters rival those of Mack Rides and even Intamin. Your track design is as graceful as a B&M track. Your layouts adds a lot of variety. I can go on and on, but the fact remains. We miss you, and we want you back. Sincerely, Coasters and Travels.